Have you ever heard of Newton? It's a platform that's been making waves in the crypto world. But how do you actually buy Newton coins? Let's dive in. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand a bit about Newton. It's a digital asset exchange that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Newton coins. Think of it as a marketplace for digital assets. One of the great things about Newton is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're a crypto newbie, you'll find it easy to navigate. Step-by-step guide. Okay, let's get to the main event, how to buy Newton coins. Create an account. The first step is to create a Newton account. Head over to their website and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and a strong password. Verify your identity. To ensure security, Newton requires you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. It's a quick and easy process. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it. Newton supports various funding methods, including bank transfers and credit/debit cards. Choose the method that suits you best. Buy Newton coins. Now comes the exciting part, buying Newton coins. Search for Newton in the search bar and click on it. You'll see the current price and trading information. Decide how many coins you want to buy and place your order. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your Newton experience. Research. Before investing, do your research on Newton coins and the overall crypto market. Understand the risks involved. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to invest. Stick to your budget and avoid impulsive decisions. Consider long-term. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile. If you're investing in Newton coins, consider a long-term perspective. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the crypto world. Security measures. Security is a top priority when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Here are some security measures you should take. Strong password. Use a strong and unique password for your Newton account. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA for added security. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of phishing attempts and fraudulent websites. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Buying Newton coins is a straightforward process. Remember to do your research, set a budget, and prioritize security. With the right approach, you can confidently navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.